When's the tragedy start? I'm ready. We're always out of bread for the bird. Ah, there's bread. That's big bread. Got some bread. Good. And we'll pay for it. Should probably pay for it. Got the bread. Thank you. Didn't want to steal it. Alright, we go this way. Going back home. Come on, we're gonna go back home. And or to the woods and give my friend some food, because he's hungry. The hungry bird. It's hungry bird. Am I going back into the woods? Oh, that's where he found him. The trees are moving again. Them damn moving trees. If he hadn't helped him, he would have died. The eyes just going all crazy. Holly! Stop chewing on that. What was that? Is it the honey badger? Or is it the bird's mom? I just gotta give the bird away eventually, I know it. I wonder if he's almost healed. He's got more bread. What's he doing? Are you not gonna feed him? Oh, they're gonna go to a magical land together as buddies. Story's so lovely. Oh god, they're on the roof. Oh, there's a door. I thought he climbed up the wall or something. You got a top floor apartment, man. That kid's living a large life. What was that? Aww. He's gonna build a giant paper airplane. $100 bucks. $100 bucks. Yep. He's gonna run out of pages. And he's got a bigger square. It's getting lower and lower. He's just gonna keep building. How do these all stick together? It's got one page left and it's gonna blow away. Or not, I don't know. They all fit very seamlessly together though. Like he ripped them perfectly. Yeah. Spending time with my bird friend is the greatest thing about it. He is so great and so am I. An engineering masterpiece. I fly with my bird friend to a land of salvation with him and me, flying in the sky like my bird friend. I'm a kid with a single mother, flying to Neverland, apparently. Above the city I fly. City, 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 city. Go very, 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 very far. velocity fly. Oh, that's enough singing. Oh, it's fun though. Oh, we're still going. Whee! Above the mountains, through the valleys, to an island that is snowing. Don't know how it's possible. There's a floating island in the sky. This is clearly a dream where this kid has HIV. I don't know if that's the right disease where you imagine things. I think it's schizophrenia, but I'm not sure. HIV is not a kind disease to talk about because it is a very awful thing. Apple's doing something that involves the color red, which helps with this disease. I probably should stop before I dig myself into a hole. I have to find the islands, and there's one, and I got it. Gotta find 5 of them. You don't like that island. Alright. 3 more. And we're off! Next area. Holly, stop chewing on that. Alright. Ah, we're in the desert. Got it. Okay, we got 2 more, I think. Right? Or 1 more. But this is so pretty. Look at the background. This is so much fun. It's not that interactive, but it's still fun. To the next area. We're just flying across the world today. What'd you do today, Tommy? I built a freaking giant paper airplane and flew on it across the world with my bird friend. What'd you do? Read a book? Did that yesterday. Ah, this one has eggs at it. I don't care. Someone else's eggs. Don't touch my huevos. 1 more. And I bet it's the one that he stays at. Because he has to leave the nest to find a new one. Ah, what a cute little town. And it's right here. This is where he belongs. Or not. Oh, you hate it too? Yeah, let's get out of here. Let's go home. Oh, look at the cool town, though. Whoosh! We're flying through the clouds. Going back home. Yeah, we're going home. After a long day. Day's work. It's time to go home. It's right here! He's home. This kid's got quite the imagination. Bye, airplane. Oh, no, all the papers come back magically back into his book. Aw, alright. A bird story. It is about a bird, and there is a story. Good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Oh, I had such a good time with this. Oh, that scared me. Huh, this is the vet lady. Runs away. Oh no, she's gonna call someone, isn't she? Alright, let's just get out of here. No one will ever know this happened. You'll go into the room. I'm so confused as to what's going on. What's... Oh, I should probably go outside first. There he is. How you doing? Good? Good. Alright. Goodbye! Gotta go to school today. Okay. Going back to school. Going back to this hellhole of a school. Let's just go to class. Oh no! Both the demons. It's a chase scene. That's great. That's so cute. What the heck? Oh, this is so cute. Mario jump. What? He ran into the door. Did he just run into himself? Okay, now it just suddenly got creepy. What happened to the cute chase scene? Yeah, I didn't like that. I liked the cute chase scene in the Mario reference. That was cute. This is creepy now. He wants to fly so badly. Nah, he's letting him inside. Cute kid. Who's gonna take the bandage off? Oh. He's gonna take him to the hospital, like a good kid. Alright, let's go out. Let's get out of here. Should I grab any snacks or whatever? Or just... Oh, it is raining today. Yes, Mom, I know it's raining. Got the sniffles. Ugh. Yeah, you're gonna need it today, buddy. You can hear the rain. There we go. No hopping and skipping today. It's a sad day. Yeah, it's a sad day. So you gotta go back to the... Gotta go back to the hospital. Oh, he doesn't want to. Wait a minute. Why is that? Oh, he's thinking about the mom, so the bird can heal. His whole life's flashing before their eyes. What do you do? Wait, what the? He changed his mind again. He's like, I'm not giving up my friend. Oh, he's running away. Where's his mom? So just the teachers and the veterinarian. Oh god. Just gotta go. Just don't think about it. We'll make it. We'll be fine. Paper and water always mix well together. Oh god! I don't think there's any way I can avoid it. I'm gonna die. Oh god. Oh god. Oh no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I'm gonna die. Oh god. Oh god. What are you doing? Falling. Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Let me guess, the bird's flying. He's gonna go catch him. What the? Is he alive? Don't bark. Oh, we gotta go look for him. There's my backpack, but he's not in it. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Sorry, Daisy's acting up again. Oh no, he's dead! What's he doing? Oh, he's actually playing with a kid. He's like, I want to get off. So depressing. Oh, he said bye. Oh, bye. See you all tomorrow. Guess he has friends and stuff. That's good. But bird friend, is he really gone? I'll never see him again. Am I gonna go into the woods? There's a piece of paper. A new way. Where will this take us? To a land of hopes and dreams? To a land where... to where we were playing once before on the cliffside? Will it show us more memories? More ways of which we came? Or will I just go back home and sulk in my room, thinking about the times that have passed? I cannot say for certain where Bird Friend has gone, but I know now he's in a happier place. Without the burden of being weighed down without the wing. Unable to soar with the eagles. It has all but weighed him down. Again, I ride in the elevator with the man who actually can push the button for himself this time. Holly, stop chewing the wall. Who do not step away from each other because he knows he's upset. I walk sulkingly to my apartment, clutching the piece of paper in hand. With this horrible sad music playing in the background. Oh, missed it. Nope, missed it again. I swear, if he's on the balcony, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna lose it. Again, another note from Mom. Mom, never there for me. Ollie, give that to me. Can't chew on that. She getting shoes. Aw. This is where the story picked up. It's not there. Oh, he's putting more water in it. In case he comes back. Tore out all the pages of the book. They're gonna rebuild the paper airplane! He's just sitting outside waiting for the bird! Stop doing this to me! Waiting for Bird Friend. This kid is so freaking cute! He's so cute! Perfect. Bird Friend, I'm coming. Bird Friend! He's flying! I like happy endings. off the bandage. You're free, bird friend. Go fly. Fly! Bird friend. Go be with your mom. Well, you're always welcome here. She said thank you. He brought it back! Ah! Oh, I gave him a hug. Do it. Let him go. Actually, I'm gonna keep him. No, just let him go. I unlocked an achievement. That was great. Well, free bird games, you really do know how to set the bird free. Oh, there's more. So I unlocked an achievement. I think it's like an additional story. Oh my god. These guys did a great job with doing an interactive story. This was great. It may have been simple, it had its cute moments, it had its references. The best one was the muffin. The Zelda muffin, where I was like, burr, 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 burr. I didn't know a kid and a bird could be so heart-wrenching and cute and just happy. Oh, I bet he comes back all the time. Oh, look at them together. Oh, bird friend. This is so cute. Well, all these guys did all this work, and it was fantastic. So, if you guys want to pick up this game, go pick it up on Steam. It's only $4. So, if you want a cute little story, go watch it. Go do this. I don't know if I'm gonna see what what I unlocked. Maybe it's an additional story. Wait a minute. Oh, they're living on one of the islands than you imagined. Is that it? Wait, is there more? Ah, there's more. Where's that? There's that in my back of the title screen. Okay, let's just watch. Oh, Finding Paradise. Coming one day. There's gonna be a sequel. It's gonna show him growing up. Or is that the sequel to To the Moon? Who knows? But that was great! Ah! It was totally worth it. Ah, I love this music. Whoever did this was fantastic. I unlocked an achievement. Congratulations. Well, that's where you buy it, Steam. So wait, let's look. Let's see what I unlocked. Okay. Okay. Alright, well, that was a bird story leading up to a new game called Finding Paradise, which could be a sequel to the Moon, where this guy goes back in time and through his brain and whatever and finds the bird and but ends. Let's see what this is. Never mind. Okay, well, thank y'all for watching. This has been a bird story. It was great. It was a great game. Thanks, Freebird Games, for making this. Go pick it up on Steam. $4 is definitely worth it just to play this. I think it's available on the Humble Bundle too, or somewhere else, I think, but I'm not sure. But go pick it up. It was a great game. I cried. And I'll see y'all in another video. So, see you later. Adios. Namaste. Have a great rest of your night.